Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share very beautiful videos, very charming, very attractive videos of this video. It's all about the gardens designs are more amazing, more beautiful and charming videos. I will share with newest videos. Our newest videos looking very beautiful and charming designs. Hope so I really share with you. Everybody more amazing, more beautiful, more charming and very good looking attractive videos and attractive decent and more good elegant videos. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking a fantastic videos in a fantastic design. You're looking very beautiful, you're looking very prettiest and stunning videos. I really show very attractive designs and attractive looks. Are you liking these beautiful things? Are also more much amazing videos. Everyone you like more beautiful things are these beautiful designs. You're looking very beautiful, very attractive. Different types of ideas, different amazing, different beautiful and charming looks, and most attractive and demanding videos, and different types of ideas are more amazing videos. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking at fantastic videos in a fantastic designs. Hope so already share with you in a most demanding videos. You looking very beautiful and charming designs. Always be sharing most attractive videos. I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button for notification. Always be sharing most attractive and most demanding video. You looking very beautiful, very charming and decent attractive designs. Always be sharing more elegant videos, so attractive designs and different amazing videos. Hope so I already share with you. Everyone you like more beautiful design and different amazing ideas in different types of ideas, in different amazing, in different types of beautiful things. You looking very beautiful and prettiest videos. All good charming designs. I'll always be sharing most attractive videos and attractive designs. You looking very beautiful and prettiest videos. So take care.